Tyres are some of the most important components of any vehicle, but how do you know when they need to be replaced? Well, in this video, we'll show you how to check the tread wear. Step 1. Locate the tread wear indicators. Wear indicators are raised bits of rubber in the main channels of a tyre's tread and can be located primarily by feeling along these grooves. You may need to move your car forward a bit if you can't find them on the first attempt, but don't forget to reapply the handbrake and make sure the car is off before looking again. Step 2. How to gauge the wear. Once you've found the wear indicators, measure the distance between them and the top of the remaining tread. The smaller the step, the more worn the tyre is, and if there's no step, it needs to be replaced. Step 3. Check all the wheels, inside and out. Aggressive or poor wheel alignments can absolutely demolish certain parts of a tyre without necessarily impacting the wear indicators, and most tyres almost never wear perfectly even. So it's important then to check every tyre on both the inside and outside edges, especially on the front, to make sure the tread is wearing as evenly as possible. An easy way to check the inner edge of your front tyres is to park your vehicle with the wheels turned. Step 4. Other signs of wear. What you want to keep an eye out for is excessive or uneven wear. If the outside of your tyre shows extra wear, this is a sign of underinflation, while extra wear on the centre suggests overinflation. Rusted-on purists will be able to do these checks by feel, but be warned, we've seen blood drawn by exposed canvas fibres, so be careful. So there we have it, a quick guide on how to check your tyre tread and to make sure your tyres are safe. Now, to get the most out of a new set of tyres, ensure they're within their recommended pressure range, rotate them semi-regularly, and stay on top of your wheel alignment. For more advice and how-tos, feel free to check out our YouTube channel or socials.